Today we caught a bird, and we're gonna be telling you how and stuff. But we're gonna let it go and stuff because it's kind of sad to keep it captive like this. Because it's in a tiny cage. But look at it. It's so cute. Little bird. Okay, got some ramen going and stuff. Yeah, it's kind of scary, so we're gonna let this guy go. But today we're gonna also be telling you how to make a trap. How we did it. So that's the trap. You have to have a fan, some thread, a noodle, ramen noodles, and long nails. So you take a part off the fan, and then you get thread and you tape it to one side and the other, and then tie a noodle to it, and then you put noodles around it, and then you have two nails, you tape them together, and one of them is connected to the thread. Like, you connect one side to a fan and one side to the screw, and then put noodles around it, and then you put the screws together and then wedge it between somewhere along the lines, and then that's it, and you just wait. But if you're gonna do this, make sure, oh, it fell, but make sure you are to let it go, because it's very cool to keep it like this. Where is it? But it's very cool to keep it like this. Let's see, where is he? Hey buddy. Hey buddy. Alright. Yeah, we'll show you the releasing part. We're gonna let it go.
Alright. Nick, help your sister let the bird go.
Alright. Grab the bird. Don't worry, buddy. It's okay. It's okay. Alright, we got the bird.
This is me.
Okay. Hey, buddy. It's okay. Hey, I'm gonna pet him before I let him go. At least said.
How are you gonna pet him?
Open the lid a little bit. He's trying to escape really bad.
Then let him escape.
I want to pet him.
Yeah, I know you want to pet him, but you can't. He's gonna peck you, and it's gonna hurt.
Alright.
I know. Go.
You gotta come out. Yay! And he went.
He's off.
Alright. That was the end of today's video, and this was his cute little cage. In another video we'll tell you how to make it. So yeah, we're gonna be getting another bird after the coronavirus thing, so close this up, and bye bye, and make sure you stay heathery and feathery.